Hello, this is a short tutorial in creative visualization with the author A. LaFay. Look into the water. Take a moment to consider. You could go anywhere you want. Choose a place. Needs to be on firm ground. It may help to close your eyes. You could think of a prairie, a city street, a quaint neighborhood, place, a house. Stand before the house and consider it. Which door would you like to go in? Let's try the kitchen door. What sound does a door make when you open the door? When you step inside, what is the floor like beneath your feet? Open the fridge. Maybe you could taste a snack. Which do you choose? How does it taste? Drift into the next room. Do you hear any sounds in the house? Walk to a bedroom. Take a seat on the bed. Run your open palm over the surface. Is it a quilt? Is it fuzzy? What color is it? Who slept here? What did they dream about? What are they doing today? Quick, peek under the bed. What's under there? No one's home. You could check the closet. What do you see on the top shelf? What's hiding under the stuff on the bottom? Each of these questions leads you to an experience that is unique to you and your subconscious. Creative visualization, such as the one we did today, can help you learn how to randomly generate details, create vicarious experiences, and add sensory information that will bring your readers into the moment. So take a minute, creatively visualize to prime your creative pump, either in writing or drawing or creating of any kind. You can also use this exercise to help you wind down for the evening or wind up in the morning. It can also be useful when applied to the actual facts, locations, and characters of the stories you may or may not be creating. I hope these were helpful for you, and consider sharing this with other people who might benefit from this exercise. Thank you.